we're actually honing in and helping them ensure that their competencies are there. So let's just say in class, you have to, weld a window. We're going to be the ones testing them. They learned the book part of how to weld a window, but we're actually going to test and see if they understood the knowledge to be able to apply it in real life. So a part of those certifications that people receive is based off of part book knowledge, but then stuff, we say theory versus reality. You may learn a bunch of things in school, but if you never practice it, you don't know if you really know it. And so technically they're guinea pigging us as they're learning these terminologies and practical things, and they're using it on our work sites with the help of us to make sure they understand and have mastered that craft.
I love talking to you about this, and I could talk to you like the rest of the day about all of this stuff. But going to try to wrap it up here for our listeners, and I would like you to share with our listeners where they can learn more about you if they want to buy a modular home built out of shipping containers, or if they want to get involved in your apprenticeship program, or there's so many things you do. It's amazing. So how do they reach you?
Absolutely. Thank you for having us. And one, if they want to learn more about how to become a customer of ours, they're going to go to www.shippingliving.com. On there, they can request a free 15-minute consultation just to kind of high level discuss their project. We don't give any quotes. We don't explain the ins and outs of the process during that time, but they can ask like, hey, where should I buy? Or, hey, what kind of container do I need? They can ask those type of questions. If they want a more advanced conversation, which would include our entire team, so that we have design, architects, engineers, and our general contractors will be on that call. It's all on that consultation page. And then we have the photo gallery.